Come on, bitch. Get your ass in there.
Long sleeves,
Yeah,
you know?
you gotta spend some money on sand, man. I can smell that goddamn building.
All right, the moment we've been waiting for.
One's not working.
I think the
Just
bulb
turn it.
busted. I think I seen it. Turn it, yeah. Turn that bulb.
Nah, well, that's the one that wasn't on before.
Oh,
It's busted. I saw it.
This big, it is?
Yeah,
it's busted?
I think I saw black.
It's damaged?
You saw it because he broke it the other day when we wasn't here.
Doesn't look black right there at the end. See it? See it right there?
Oh, yeah.
How about this? You gonna find out.
Business,
Got
man.
aluminum foil on it, right?
Emotion. Mixing up emotion. Put out some emotions.
Mixed up emotion.
Mixed up emotion. Mixed up emotion. Pour it on there.
I'm really supposed to put it in there, but I didn't know he had that till it was too late.
Oh, we just put it in
He's
there.
supposed to pour it in there.
But we freestyled it though.
I mean, that's what we do at the shop. We don't even use one of them at the shop.
Yeah.
But that's the best way to do it because it goes on. But
We used to
it
do
still
this way.
works.
It still works. Yeah.
Yeah, either way it works.
So it's the chemical in this that causes that reaction to like create that image, basically, I guess. Once the light hits it, it triggers it. It's like it works as like acid or something. Or
No.
it works as what?
When the light hits, the light cooks it
Cooks it. Okay.
pretty much. It cures it. And anywhere the light is blocked, it doesn't harden. So after it does that, you just wash the part of it out. Maybe the rim of the screen.
Oh, around the screen, yeah.
Not yet.
See, 'cause
Not
you
around here.
no, you want to try to keep this line up. It's straight.
We'll have to come over there. Yeah, that's all
Okay.
the bullets I had.
I'm gonna try to get this shit as straight as possible. All right, now, give me what books you got? I didn't throw them.
Put the books, heavy books. Put heavy books on it. We're gonna put some books on them.
Just too much.
Oh, on top of the image.
Alright, need more weight? I have weights.
Okay. He got me some bigger boogie. Go get you there.
Line it up straight. Line it up straight.
What these lights, the actual time is yet. So we gonna try this amount and then wash it out. If it's not, then we got. If the stuff won't wash out, we know that it's overexposed. If everything washes out, we know it's underexposed. So that's the process of once you learn it in your machine versus
Learn
another
the
thing.
machine,
You can't
the timing
escape
of it.
that because
Yeah, that's when you that slop sink that I got back there.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah, to put the sink in there.
you know what got chopped up.
All right, first screen done.
Yeah.
Pues ese mucho dinero.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's what we about to get. That's what we about to get. Mucho dinero. Yeah. It's better?
Yeah, I like that time a little bit.
Alright, y'all. Getting it done, Craig's Clips. Getting these screens done, these shirts done. Gonna make the mucho dinero. Put some of that glow in the dark ink on there. Y'all know nothing about that. Making that mucho dinero.
Stogie, dog. Stogie? Something like that. Boy, it was fun growing up around.
Yo.
All these